Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to go live on Twitch on PC. So let's get right into it. Head over to your browser and search for Twitch. Head over to your Twitch. Make sure you have logged in into your desired account. Then head over to your account right here. Then go to the settings option. Here you can see several options. All you need to do is head over to the channel and videos. Now click on stream. Here you can see there is a primary stream key that will help you or lead you to start a stream on Twitch. So copy this code, click on copy. You can also reset it anytime if you want. Then head over to Stream Manager. Now once you're there, just give your stream code, and you can also use Camtasia Recorder, Screen Recorder, or OBS Studio to start streaming. And yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.